Jacob the donkey. Let's feed him. Drag the food he wants into the feeder. Ready. It's harvest time. Let's help Jacob. Drag the grapes into the basket on his back. You're doing really great. Now drag the grapes into the barrel. Hooray! That's all. Hooray! We made a fair on our farm. Jacob will entertain kids with riding. Put them on the donkey's back. The ducks have been swimming in the lake for a long time and are hungry now. Let's feed them. Throw food from the sack to the ducks. Keep up the good work. We did it! Ready. We have some little ducklings hatched out. Let's prepare a warm nest for them. Push straw and rags into the box. You're doing really great. Keep up the good work. That's all. The ducks are sated and ready to lay eggs. Collect them in the basket. Keep it up. Keep it up. Ready. The ducks decided to go for a walk in the yard. Let's collect their feathers in a basket. Keep up the good work. That's all. We've collected enough feathers to make some pillows. Drag the feathers from the basket into the pillow tick. Great! Let's decorate our pillow. Drag the pillowcase you like onto it. We did it! Great! Let's decorate our pillow. We did it! Great! Let's decorate our pillow. Drag the pillowcase. Done! Great! Let's decorate our pillow. Drag the pillow. Amazing! Great! Let's decorate our... Keep up the good work. Great! Let's decorate our... Done! Meet Jacob the donkey. Let's feed him. Drag. Our sheep are hungry. They like to eat fresh grass. To make the grass grow, pour some grains from a sack onto the seedbed. Keep up the good work. Hooray! Done! Sheep love to be fancy. Let's help them do that. Drag and drop the sheep on the decorations they like. Ready. Dolly the sheep. She was walking around and got dirty. Let's give her a bath. Soap her fur. Well done! Now let's wash the soap off with water. Now Dolly's clean and dry. Let's give her a haircut. Slide the hair trimmer over the sheep. Sheep love haircuts. Done! Well done. Now spin the spinner to make threads. Now we have lots of colorful threads. Let's knit some nice warm things. Drag the threads to the outline. Keep up the good work. We did it! You're doing really great. Hooray! Don't stop! You're doing really great. That's all.